Mega panels in Zanzibar, Kidichi. House is under construction. We make the slabs 2 weeks ago. Here can be the kitchen. From the panels have left, we preparing kitchen sink. For the light in this small room, we adding one glass bottle. Yeah, this is our glass bottle for the light in this small room. This is for circulation. Here's the view in Gidici. And you see the panels under construction. Yeah, this hole have the function for make fresh air and light in 3 rooms down. Like this, very easy to make. Here you can see more panels. One panel weighs 15 kilo. Other kitchen. Even the stairs can make very easy from this material. This is the raw construction from our stair and the borders. All is handmade from prefabricated panels. Very easy to make beams and round windows. This is the window living room. And here in the basement is our panel deposit. Yeah, we cut this from the window, later can be one table. Overhang very easy to make until 60 centimeters. Round overhang. And special window with ocean view. Thanks for watching Building Surveyor Schmalfuß in Zanzibar together with Mega Panels.